Welcome and namaste to all the visitors of the Around the World Desi-Pardesi channel. Dear friends, in today's video we will see Paris from the top of the Eiffel Tower. One of the most famous landmarks in the world, the Eiffel Tower symbolizes Paris. Before arriving here, visitors have vivid images of monument as seen in the postcard, movie and other sightseeing images of the Paris. Yet, the Eiffel Tower still amazes you when you are at the top of the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron lattice tower named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed it and built it. The Eiffel Tower is 330 meters tall and it is the tallest structure in the Paris. Its base is measuring 125 meters square on each side. The tower has 3 levels for visitors, with restaurants on first and second levels. The top level's upper platform is 276 meters above the ground, which is the highest observation deck accessible to the public. Enjoy watching video. I'm on the top of the Eiffel Tower and finally my wish has come true today to come here. So this is the river where yesterday I have taken a swim and I'm seeing Paris from top of the Eiffel Tower right now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel Around the World Desi-Pardesi so far, please do subscribe and click on bell icon. I'll come up with new interesting videos. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yours Desi-Pardesi.